Hi, I'm Kim Bosman. I'm a professor of sociology here at Maryville University. I'm going to be teaching a course called Exploring Social Issues this fall, and I'd really be interested in you taking it. This course was first inspired by the events of Sandy Hook in 2012. That occurred between academic semesters, and I really wanted to develop a course that would understand and explore the phenomena of mass shootings in greater detail. But I didn't want just to have a mass shooting course. Um, so I came up with this idea that we would have an exploring social issues course that's kind of like your regular social problems course, but in a social problems course, you really do a cursory examination of a lot of social problems. But in exploring social issues, what I had in mind was maybe we take on three social issues, the major pressing social issues of the day. And we dig a little bit deeper. We dig into some of the current research literature on those subjects. And that's what this course is about. I introduce you to the sociological imagination, how sociology explores a variety of social issues, but in particular, we'll dig specifically into three major social issues. The course has never had three social issues set in stone, so it varies by the term that I teach it. It all kind of depends on what's going on. Most recently, the most recent offering of this course, we explored the current set of racial unrest that exists in this country. We also looked at the problems of economic inequality. You know, one of the things that we're quite familiar with is that the distance between the haves and the have-nots seem to be getting worse in this country. And then we also continued in that theme of looking at gun violence that kind of first inspired this course. What also I think distinguishes this course is not only by our more in-depth examination of three major social issues, but it's our examination of those three major social issues, not only at the national level, but I want to make it localized. So I allow students to, of the three social issues that we cover, pick one of those issues and focus doing an examination of that issue within the St. Louis metropolitan area. So we can also get a glimpse at what does this look like locally. So in terms of the format of this course, I would say it's really kind of lecture and discussion. I like there to be a more give and take with the students, but obviously since I'm the content expert, I will tend to dominate most of our periods together, but it is kind of a go back and forth discussing the major social issues of the day. If you're interested in taking the course in the fall, I'd be happy to hear from you about some social issues that might be of interest to you. I have not yet decided what those three issues will be for this fall, but until then, I'll see you then.